Make this plasma cake in just 15 minutes. The name 4-3-2-1 refers to the biscuit layering. It's excellent for summer and beginners as it requires no cooking or baking. Prepare something truly quick. Gather all ingredients around you. You will need 150 grams of whipped cream powder and 300 milliliters of cold milk. Place all ingredients into a bowl and whisk with a mixer. Do not whisk the whipped cream too stiffly. Keep it like this. Add 400 grams of sour cream to the whipped cream. If you dislike sour cream, add neutral cream cheese instead. For the whipped cream, use sweet cream, whether dairy or plant-based, but you will need to sweeten it. When using sweet cream, after adding the biscuits, add a little milk, because the mixture will firm up as it sits. Add between 100 and 200 grams of powdered sugar, depending on your sweetness preference. I used 150 grams. Now add 300 grams of ground plasma biscuits. And mix everything together again. Now mix everything thoroughly, as there are unmixed parts of whipped cream and biscuits at the bottom, so everything combines nicely. Once finished, let the entire mixture rest for a bit, because it will firm up as it sets, which is exactly what we need. Slightly firm so it's easier to spread but doesn't run. Next, you need 250 gram packs of whole plasma biscuits totaling 300 grams. Do not eat any biscuits. You will need all of them, as the measurement is exact. Heat the milk and now layer the plasma biscuits. How? 4, 3, 2, 1. Place them in the first row like this. 4 biscuits at the bottom. This sets the width for layering. 4 by 4. Once layered, top with this plasma cream. Place 3 biscuits in the next row. Again, do not eat them, you will be short. You can cut off the top a little like this. Just like this. There we go. You can eat the piece that broke off. And now add the filling again. There is enough filling, maybe even too much. Feel free to pour some cream into bowls for the kids if they ask. Now, layer 2 by 2. Now add this cream again. This is the famous filling from the Choco Moco cake. There we go. And now the last 4. I will use this part that broke a bit more. Ta-da! Crumble the remaining pieces and sprinkle them on top or do something else with them. Now spread it on all sides to properly enclose the cake. That's it for spreading. I will now let the cake firm up a bit, then add the whipped cream on top. This is the amount I have left over. I will put it in small bowls for the children with some plasma biscuits. While the cake cooled, I whipped 100 grams of powdered whipped cream with 150 to 200 milliliters of milk. I estimated by eye. And now decorate the cake with it. I melted Eurocream here and poured it into a piping bag. And I will use it to further decorate this cake. Eurocream is much better than chocolate because chocolate hardens. But Eurocream remains soft, so I can easily cut the cake. And now the rest of the whipped cream on top. A little bit like this. These chocolate plasma pieces. That's it, the cake is ready.